I am Sui. I am a game developer for something around 10 years, and now it's finally is the time to me make the game. So my dream game I'm gonna present to you right now. So I am using Pokemon and Digimon as reference. I will mix the best qualities of them, but no, will not be a filthy creature like that you are seeing right now, but it will be something the best every one of them can offer. So for Pokemon, the best thing about Pokemon is the brand. What do I mean about the brand? Pokemon, the concept, the designs, the typing, the system, everything. So you can see really easy this is a Pokemon. And the system overall, the battle, the items, everything, it works just so well. What I'm doing for my game, it's going to be the Pokemon brand. Okay, so about Digimon, was not really afraid about doing weird stuff in their games, but not as weird being a Vegeta with Agumon voice, something like that, Kakaroto, or something like that. We are glad that this thing doesn't exist in our world. The main Digimon game that I really enjoyed a lot is the first Digimon. I will not be using this game project as a pet, but I'll have a lot of reference from this game. In the next video, I will show more about the combat system, and at this time it will make a lot more sense for you. What I did first was to actually create the universe for this game. So, well, you can see we have a lot of stuff here. I will show those stuff in the future. Before I even start to implement something, I had to think those things before. Whenever you start a project, a creative project, it's really good to set some design guidelines. This works like a compass to your work. So for example, you want to go north. If you don't have a compass, you don't know if you are going north. In a design project, this works the same way. I've established some design guidelines that I will be using as my compass in this project, so I don't get lost in whatever I am thinking about this project. I will show to you right now. What I think about my game is that everything is useful. What I mean by that is any monster, any item, any loot, everything in the game is useful. For example, I played a lot Moonlight, and when you played this game, you had a lot of junk in the floor after you killed some enemies. Another thing that I am thinking about design guideline is seamless experience. So you start the game, you go whenever, you do whatever. It doesn't have load experience. It should look like experience in life. Imagine you go walk around and then after, I don't know, 50 steps you have a loading time. It will be really weird. So a seamless experience is most about mimicking the life experience. So I think it would be really great. So for the next design guideline is something that I believe not only this but in all of my games is something called easy to play, hard to master. So anyone can really start to play. It's really easy, you have a good time, but if you really want to be great at this game, you have to master. And for the last design guideline that I want to present for you, I want this to be an alive environment. In most of the games, if you go to X place, this X place almost 100% of the time it will be the same place. You will know it, you will know exactly what you have to do in this place, so it's not really a new experience. So I want to somehow in this project do an alive environment. So for the design guidelines is that will be following. Those four are going to be my compass for this game. This game will be top view, and the tools I will be using for this project. Mainly I will be using Unity. For what I see so far, I will be using Photoshop to design characters, and for 3D I will be using Blender. So far this is what I have for my project that I will show right now. Well, I have a lot of these projects planned already. I hope you like it. If you like, well, do the YouTube stuff. If you have any questions or something to add, type here in the comments. I'll be looking for it. And I hope to see you in the next video. So thank you.